Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about how to harvest your basil so that you don't kill your plants.
What are you doing there, Nico?
Harvesting basil.
They're looking good, huh?
Right.
Where did you buy this plant?
From the supermarket. We never grow.
They never come like this, though.
No, they come many, right? Most of the people will just come and cut some leaves here. You are creating stress for the plant and make it weaker. It will constantly need to repairing the damage that you're doing on the plant. The basil plant has these nodes where there are 2-3 leaves coming from one little point on the plant. The best point to harvest your basil is about 1 centimeter above a node. And after you cut here, from these 2 leaves, you're gonna get 2 new stems. If you see on this plant, we've already done it. It has been harvested here, and you see the point that we have snipped this one, and 2 new stems have started growing from the side, and that made the plant much more stronger and increase the quantity as well, because otherwise it's just leggy and keeps growing taller for every little extra bit, and it will not be able to support the growth. But this way, it just goes on the side.
I have a question. What if when the 2 extra stems come out, right? What if I cut it again, like here? Would the another 2 stems come out?
Yeah.
Then it would be like endless, right?
Yeah.
So you
And
get
that's why
going,
you get
but then it
quite
becomes
easy.
really heavy. I don't think the plant is gonna like
And that's
that.
why it's good to, on the initial one, it's good to carry it quite low. But then as well, as your plant keeps growing, you go on a bigger pot as well, so that strengthens the plant.
It's great though, no? It's like harvesting forever, right?
Yeah, you can harvest forever.
But you need to remember to water, otherwise.
Yeah, otherwise, yeah, hello. That's good.
Proper, huh? Where did you buy it?
Sainsbury's. Shouldn't say that.
How did you taste?
So that's it. Never cut individual leaves. Always go just above a node, and your basil will thank you forever.
If you like this video, guys, please like and subscribe. We have 3 hats and a plot. Leave your comment, leave your tips. Show us how you're growing your basil at home. If it works, whatever happens, please, we really like to hear from you. We have 3 hats and a plot. See you at the next one.